In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your personal portfolio on Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional portfolio page ready to customize and share. Start by opening Notion and looking to the very top left of your screen. There's a small drop-down arrow next to your workspace area. Click that arrow to reveal the main menu. This menu is your quick gateway to tools that help you build faster. And the one we want right now is templates. Templates are pre-built pages designed by the Notion community and by Notion itself, so you don't have to start from a blank page. Go ahead and click Templates. Depending on your view, you may see a built-in gallery or be taken to the Notion template marketplace. If you land on a starter panel, click the Templates option there as well to open the full gallery. This gives you a broader set of portfolio options to choose from, which is great if you're aiming for a specific look or layout. Once the gallery is open, use the search bar and type portfolio. This will filter the results to show portfolio-style templates ranging from simple personal pages to more advanced layouts that include project databases, case studies, and featured work. Typing portfolio keeps things focused, so you can quickly zero in on pages designed to highlight you and your projects. Now browse through the results and pick a free template that matches your style. Preview a few to see how they're structured. Look for clean navigation, clear sections for about projects and contact, and any database features you might want for organizing case studies. Choosing a template that already resembles your ideal layout will save you a lot of time customizing later. When you've found one you like, click Add. Notion will add a copy of that template to your workspace so you can make it your own. If prompted, confirm where you want it to live in your workspace. After a moment, your new portfolio page will be ready to open and edit. From here, start editing the portfolio template. Replace placeholder text with your name and a concise bio. Update project entries with your best work. Add titles, short descriptions, roles, tools used, and links to live demos or repositories. Drag sections to reorder them, delete anything you don't need, and rename pages to match your voice. Swap out icons and cover images to reflect your personal brand, and adjust any tags or properties in project databases so filtering and sorting work the way you want. Keep the layout scannable, emphasize outcomes in your project write-ups, and make sure your contact section is easy to find. That's it. Your Notion portfolio is set up and ready to shine.